Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video you're going to find out what is actually wrong with the engine that's come out of this Celica. But a couple of things to get out of the way before we start the video. This isn't a full teardown video. I know some of you guys like short videos, some of you like long in detail videos. So I thought I'd release two videos on this occasion. So we're going to have a short edit today, where you're going to basically see the basics of me pulling it apart and very limited information on what's actually wrong with it. And the next video is going to be a much more thorough, in-depth video. But I don't want to keep you guys waiting. I know you're eager to find out what's wrong, just like I am. So yeah, let's go ahead with the video. So again guys, I hope you can appreciate my no-nonsense approach with regards to these videos, straight to the point, tell you what's wrong with it. Now if you do like hearing what I have to say and you want to see my observations and findings and potentially me tracing what actually caused the fault in the first place, then you're going to enjoy the next video. It's going to be a similar video really, but not cut down. It's going to be much longer, perhaps 20-30 minutes long, and we're going to be going into detail, looking at all the different components as I remove them, how I'm trying to pinpoint what's going wrong, and how I think I can prevent it happening next time when I do rebuild the engine. So I do hope you're still interested in the series. Let me know what you think down below. Did you enjoy this little video? And trust me, in the next couple of videos we're going to have a much more in-depth look, and I think you're going to find the findings quite interesting. So yeah, that's all I've got to say, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.